Hey everyone, I'm Shannon, a staff writer for Finder. And today we're going to show you how to use the Chase UInvest Find Investments tool. But first, here's a quick look at the Chase UInvest platform. Chase UInvest has two main services, UInvest Trade, which is a self-directed brokerage account, and UInvest Portfolios, which is a robo-advisor. The pairing of these two services means that Chase can cater to both active and passive investors. You can open a UInvest Trade account with any amount, and there are no commissions on stocks or bonds, although a 65-cent fee does apply to options trades. To open a UInvest Portfolios account, you'll need a minimum investment of $500, and the annual management fee sits at 0.35%. which falls within the range that we normally see for robo-advisors. Chase UInvest is a good fit for new investors seeking a straightforward platform, but experienced investors may be frustrated by the platform's lack of sophisticated research tools. The platform also doesn't offer access to futures, forex, or cryptocurrency, so investors looking to trade those securities will need to look elsewhere. One of the platform's standout features is its Find Investments tool, which is designed to help you find investments from your brokerage account. The tool has over 30 different filters that can be applied to help you find the investment that best fits your criteria. Let's take a look at how the tool works. From your Chase UInvest account, click on the Investments tab at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, click on Find Investments. You can use the Find Investments tool to look for mutual funds, ETFs, or stocks. In this example, we'll take a look at ETFs. Under the Quick Find tab, you can apply daily volume filters, select a fund category, or pick an ETF sponsor. You can also filter by Morningstar risk rating, which is a rating of 1 to 5 stars that ranks the historical market performance of funds and ETFs. The higher the rating, the better the fund's performance. Under Portfolio Details, you can narrow your results by percentage of assets, dividend frequency, and number of holdings. And under Returns, you can filter results by average annual return. Here, we limited our results to ETFs with an average 1-year return of at least 5%. Below that, we set our 5-year return at a minimum of 10%. In the lower right corner, you'll see the number of ETFs that match the filters you've set. Once you're happy with your filters, click See Results. So now you'll be given a list of the funds that match your filters. You'll see the name of the fund, the 1 and 5-year rate of return, the fund category, the expense ratio, and the fund price. To learn more about a fund, click on the fund name. This brings up an in-depth analysis of the fund. Under the Historical tab, you can view the fund's historical data by day, week, or month. Under the Chart tab, you'll get an interactive technical analysis chart that you can use to track the fund's highs and lows over a set period of time. The default time range is set to 1 year, but you can select any time frame you'd like, from 1 day to 10 years. Back in the Overview tab, you can scroll down to see a Morningstar equity style map, ETF characteristics, top holdings, the fund's portfolio composition, and historical performance metrics. Once you're done viewing the data for the fund you've selected, just click the X at the top of the screen to be taken back to the list of funds. After you've found a fund that you'd like to add to your portfolio, click the Trade button at the top of the window. From here, all you have to do is select the action you'd like to take, in this case, buy. Select your order type, enter the quantity you'd like to purchase, and select whether you would like to execute a day or on-close order. To submit the order, click Preview to review your order details. And click Place Order to submit the order for processing. You can read the full review of Chase UInvest or compare other brokerage account options on Finder.com. Like what you see? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you'll know when new Finder videos drop. Thanks for watching.